everyone, my name is Felice and welcome to our video about tips and tricks for the TOEFL test. Today, my group and I will share helpful strategies to improve your TOEFL score, especially if you are preparing for the exam soon. Let's begin with the first part of the TOEFL test, listening. In the listening section, you will hear conversation and lectures from native speakers. You have to listen carefully and answer questions based on what you hear. So, here are my tips. First, focus on the main idea and important details. You do not need to understand every single word. Just catch the topic and key points. Second, take short notes while listening. Write down keywords such as names, numbers, reason, and examples. This will help you remember when choosing the correct answer. Third, pay attention to the speaker's tone and attitude. Sometimes the answer is based on how the speaker feels, not what they directly say. And finally, do not panic if you miss a sentence. Keep listening because the next information might help you answer the question. So, those are simple but effective tips for the listening section. I hope they will help you perform better. Now, let me pass the video to the next speakers for more tips. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rira Yogusrini, NIM 2311304120, and I will continue with tips for the reading section of the TOEFL test. In the reading section, you will read academic text and answer multiple choice question. Here are some triggers you can ask. First, do not read the word passage word by word. Instead, skim the text to understand the general idea and scan for the specific information asked in this question. Second, read the question first before reading the passage in the details. This will help you know the information to look for. 3. Pay attention to vocabulary question. If you do not know the word, try to guess in the meaning for the context around the word. 4. Identify the organization of the passage. TOEFL reading often includes questions about the author's proposal, main idea, and supporting details. And last, use your time wisely. Do not stay too long on your question. If it is too difficult, skip it first and go back to later. Reading in the English every day will also help you improve. Thank you for the listening. Now, let me give the time to the last speaker for the final section. Melin, it's your turn.
Hi everyone, I'm Melin and now I will share tips for the structure and written expression section in TOEFL. In this section, you must choose sentences with correct grammar. So here are some simple tips. First, understand basic grammar rules, such as subject, verb, agreement, tense, and pronouns. Second, identify the structure of the sentence. Find the subject and the verb. If the sentence does not have one of them, the answer is probably wrong. 3. Watch out for common errors, like misplaced, modified, incorrect compression, and unnecessary words. 4. Practice doing as many structured questions as possible. The more you practice, the faster and more accurate you will become. And my last tip, stay confident and don't overthinking. Sometimes the answer is the simplest one. Test is all from our group. We hope our tips and tricks are useful for all of you who are preparing for the TOEFL test. Thank you for watching our video. Good luck and see you next time. Bye bye.